Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka hua ʻōlelo o kēia la o ia hoʻi o kaikamahine. Kaikamahine or kēkamahine is today's word of the day. Let's try and say it. Kaikamahine. Now let's try it the other way. Kēkamahine. Maikai. Both are correct. Yeah. Kēkamahine or kaikamahine. Maikai. Let's try and use it in a sentence. Pupuka ke la kaikamahine. Pupuka ke la kaikamahine. Now, pupuka means ugly, but in Hawaiian thinking, whenever there was a newborn, you would always call that baby pupuka because you didn't want anybody else who could overhear to get jealous. You didn't want any bad things happening to that baby, to that child. So by me saying that girl is ugly, what I really mean is that girl is very, very pretty. Okay, let's try and say it. Pupuka ke la kaikamahine. Maikai. Mahalo. Aloha.